If you want to change the background in Photopea, whether that means filling a solid canvas with a new color or replacing an entire scene with a different image, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through both methods step by step so you can pick the one that fits your project. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more easy design tutorials, and let's jump in. First, let's look at the simplest method, changing a solid canvas background. This is perfect if you already have a plain background, a transparent canvas, or a single color that you just want to replace with something new. Start by looking at the Layers panel on the right side of the screen and select your background layer. This is important because you want to make sure you're editing the correct layer before you apply any changes. Next, go to the left toolbar and look near the bottom for the foreground color square. This is usually the top color box in the overlapping color swatches. Click it, and the color picker window will open. From here, choose the new color you want for your background. You can drag around the color field, adjust the shade, and fine-tune the exact tone you want. Once you're happy with the color, click OK. Now, you need the Paint Bucket tool. You'll find it in the left toolbar, but if you see the Gradient tool instead, just right-click it to reveal the hidden tools and select Paint Bucket. With that tool active, click anywhere on your background canvas. Photopea will instantly flood-fill the selected area with your chosen color. This is a fast and easy way to refresh your design, create a clean backdrop, or match your image to a specific style or brand color. Now let's move on to the second method, which is for when you want to replace the background with a completely new image. This is the better option if you're editing a portrait, product photo, or any image where you want to keep the main subject but swap out the original scene behind it. Start by isolating your subject. Select the layer that contains your subject, then use the Magic Wand tool, the Quick Selection tool, or the Remove BG tool, depending on what works best for your image. You can usually find background removal options under Properties or in the Filter menu. The goal here is to separate your subject from the old background so the new one can sit behind it cleanly. Once your subject is isolated, it's time to add the new background image. Go to the top menu bar. Click File, then choose Open and Place. Select the image file you want to use as your new backdrop and import it into the project. When it appears, it will usually load above your current content, which is totally normal. Now open your Layers panel on the right side and click and drag that new image layer underneath your subject layer. This layer order matters because the background needs to sit behind the subject for the composition to work properly. After that, you'll probably need to resize the background so it fills the full canvas. With the new background layer selected, press Ctrl, Alt, and T on Windows, or Command, Option, and T on Mac to open Free Transform, then drag the corner handles outward until the image covers the entire canvas. Press Enter to confirm the transform. At this point, you should see your subject cleanly placed over the new background, giving you a polished composite image. If the edges need a little refinement, you can go back and adjust the selection, or mask, until everything looks natural. And that's how to change the background in Photopea using both a solid color fill and a full image replacement. The first method is great for simple design changes, while the second is ideal for realistic edits and creative compositions. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Photopea tutorials, and leave a comment if you want to see more beginner-friendly editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.